In other news, dancehall entertainer Desmond Ballantyne, more popularly known as Ninjaman, was today sentenced to life in prison for the 2009 murder of 20-year-old Ricardo Johnson. Ninjaman's two co-accused, his son Janeel as well as Dennis Clayton, will also face life sentences. TVJ's Anthony Lugg was in court today.
Ninja is convicted on his past. The one gargan, gun pan teeth.
That's the attorney for Desmond Ballantyne, more popularly known as Ninjaman, shortly after his sentencing on Monday afternoon.
A verdict can be challenged, and we will be doing that because we find that it can be challenged and it's challengeable. And we believe in Ninja's innocence. Those out there who don't believe, matter for them. I believe.
The sentencing for Ballantyne and his two co-accused got underway shortly after 11 in the Home Circuit Court. It began with attorney representing Ballantyne calling to the stand three character witnesses, including recording artists Stacey and Scarlett Bryan, more popularly known as Statius, public personality Carlene Smith, and promoter Delroy McDowell. All three character witnesses described Ballantyne as a loving, caring, and passionate individual. The character witnesses also spoke to Ballantyne's philanthropy in several inner-city communities island-wide and its impact in transforming lives of youngsters. That was then followed by attorney Valeronita Robertson's plea mitigation, where she asked Justice Martin Gale to consider the good works of her clients and to weigh discretion in making his decision. But in handing down the sentence, Justice Gale acknowledged the efforts by Ballantyne. However, he raised issue with Ballantyne being back before the courts for a gun-related matter given his 1999 conviction for illegal possession of firearm. Moments after, 20 years imprisonment for shooting with intent, in addition to life imprisonment for murder. The judge told him he would have to serve at least 25 years before being eligible for parole, to which Ballantyne responded, "Thumbs up, Your Honor." This means the entertainer, who's now 51 years old, will have to wait until he's 76 before he can apply for parole. We asked Ms. Robertson if the punishment was too harsh.
The judge in his wisdom did what he did. I know he gave a discount. We have to live with it. That's the process, that's the system, and we will go on to the next stage.
Attorneys for Janeel Ballantyne and Dennis Clayton, during their plea mitigations, pointed to the fact that their clients had no previous convictions and asked that they be given a sentence that will allow them to reunite with their children. However, they were also slapped with life imprisonment and will have to serve 15 years before being eligible for parole. We caught up with defense attorney Linton Walters, who represents Janeel Ballantyne.
Life, not eligible parole, 15 years. It is right on the minimum sentence guideline. We have no choice but to accept it, but we have the option of going to the Court of Appeal.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.